Hello everybody, hey, thank you for being here in my channel. Today we're gonna do an unboxing for the Ultra Music Festival stickers, and in this case tickets. Just a little reminder, this is 2020. You remember the 20th anniversary? Let's see what was supposed to be inside. Okay, I still have those one. Probably I'm gonna buy a hat and put on my hat. Ultra Music Festival 20 years. And I have the pin here to 20 years, so I should put it in one of those hats. So this is, I think this is 2018 or 17, I'm not sure. Let me open. Let me see what they have inside. That. Okay, let's see what we got here. Oh yes, 2017. Yes, 2017. Wow. Still have this here. 2017. So let's see what we have inside. Yeah, this look like he's supposed to be the real ticket, the ticket to get in. I don't remember what was here. I remember one time they give us one of those like eyes for the lens of your cell phone. Yeah, it looked to be I use all of this. So now I still have those stickers around there. I could show you later. So now what we're gonna do is we're gonna open the 2023 Ultra Music Festival. 2023 Ultra Music Festival. Let's open this. What's going on? Let's see what they said. So it's like a carton. It's a carton box. This one is metallic. This one is metallic. This one is a little more eco friendly. It's a little cardboard. So let's see what they said here. So Ultra Music Festival, Ultra Miami 2023. We are thrilled to welcome to you 23rd edition of Ultra Music Festival. At least one voyage of Ultra Music Festival has begun. Hashtag Ultra 2023 is now around to the corner, so won't be long until we are creating new memories together in the warmth of downtown Miami. With astronauts attending from over 10 countries, so there's gonna be people around 10 countries around the world. We wouldn't be more excited to dance and connect with each other's once again. We cannot wait for you to see what we have in store and Bayfront Park Ultra Music Festival 2023. See you soon, guys. So you have here some kind of scan to scan your to scan your app. So the mission on home is our mission to protect our home continues at Bayfront Park. Learn more about us. Learn more about our sustainability innovations and how you can do to your part to lift the trace of this year festival. Remember, guys, we have to keep our area clean because the city of Miami is part of us. This park, Bayfront Park. So we have to preserve the natural environment of this park. We have here, so I don't know if I can show you guys this. This is the scan to activate my bracelet. This is once you have your bracelet, that is here. I can see there. Once you have your bracelet, you have to activate it. So you have to follow those instructions to activate it. You have to go to a special website, to the Ultra Music Festival website, and activate a number that has your bracelet in the back. So this is the actual bracelet. I don't know if I can show you my number. I don't think so, but this is the actual bracelet. It's a general admission. There's different kind of you have VIP, you have a special, and this thing is this thing here, you're gonna get locked. It's gonna lock in your wrist. So once you pull this, don't remember, don't pull it too tight, because if you put it too tight, you won't be able to release it unless you cut it. Okay, so let's put a bracelet here. So I'm assuming this bracelet has a special signal that you, when you pass through the gate, is gonna sound some kind of like a ling or something, beep, something like that is authentic and is good. So guys, don't fall if somebody's selling you the same bracelet but without this electric device inside. Have to be activated. If this electric device is not inside, it's a fake bracelet. So let's see what the hell, what else we have here. Okay, let's see what is in here. Let's see what is in here. So we're gonna open this here. Remember guys, this is an unboxing of the Ultra Music Festival 2023. So we have here some special buttons. I'm assuming this is for your wrist. You can put it on your wrist. I don't know if you can activate. Oh yeah, you got here your name, your address, your phone number, and the city where you come from. This is I don't know, this is probably you can attach it to your webcam, to your GoPro cam. If somebody find it, they can contact you. If they wouldn't like to give your camera back or any important things that you have, you can probably lose. So you have here your name, your address, your phone number, and the city. Very important. Yes, let's see what else we have here. Let's see what we have here. Let's see. Okay, you have here some you put in your laptop, you put in your some pegatinas. I don't know how to say it in English. Pegatinas or some stickers. Oh, you have Resistance here. Resistance Miami Ultra Music Festival, Miami Resistance. Yes, like it said, Carl Cox. And then let's see what else we have here. Okay, you have another bracelet here. Put it in your wrist. It's a resistance. Nice, very nice. And the last but not the least, we have here like for your keys, to keep your keys safe. And remember, keep coming to Miami Ultra Music Festival. Thank you very much guys for being here in this unboxing with me. I hope you like this year Ultra Music Festival. And keep going. Remember guys, have fun, be safe, don't do drugs. Okay, if you drink alcohol with friends, don't drive. Okay, and have fun. See you there in the Ultra Music Festival this 24, 25 and 26th of March in Miami Bayfront Park. See you guys. Thank you.